Hola amigas, this is my skincare routine while on vacation. Starting off with the gentle cleanser. This one's from the Body Shop. What I love about it is the light floral scent and how soft the suds are against my skin. After rinsing, there's little to no dryness. Caudalie is easily one of my favorite brands. I consider the toner to be the last step in cleansing. It does just that while leaving my skin feeling very soft. I love to pair these two products. This is the first essence I've ever used, and my skincare routine is not complete without it. It targets my hyperpigmentation and starts the glow I strive for. I chose Lancome Absolute Eye Cream because I had it in travel size. It's hydrating, targets dark circles, and puffiness. This is my favorite vitamin C oil. My skin looks nothing less than radiant when I use it. I'm not sure exactly how, but I'm told vitamin C strengthens the properties in our sunscreen. I'm always sure to add it to my AM layers. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I think this is the most sold serum in the world. It's known to lock in moisture, never leaves you looking dull, and it attacks fine lines. In an attempt to pack light, I always bring Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It can be used both day and night. It is very moisturizing, it's lightweight, and it's got our favorite ingredient, squalene, in it. If you've been a part of my community for a while, you know that Clarins Sunscreen 50 Plus SPF is my favorite sunscreen. Again, another product that aids in diminishing my hyperpigmentation. You'll hear me say that a lot. It's my biggest concern. It's rich in antioxidants, and it's responsible for sealing the deal on this dewy skin that you see here. EOS lip ointment tingles, so it wins. End of story. I really should have used something with an SPF for this trip, but I didn't have any. Nivea Black and White Antiperspirant was a pleasant surprise. It was gifted and came in handy, and that will be my go-to. No white cast and not a drop of sweat. And to my surprise, I still smelled good after a day in the blazing sun. Hawaiian Tropics has been my go-to for years. Glowy with subtle sparkles, non-greasy yet moisturizing. I always put a little extra on my tattoos, and I repeat every 2 hours. And that's the end of my routine. Meet me in the comments with any questions or concerns. Follow for more skincare tips and reviews.